Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can hide online status on WhatsApp. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your WhatsApp app, which can be downloaded through App Store. So as you can see, this is my chats. To hide the online status on WhatsApp, what you have to do is on the bottom side you can see there are different options such as status, call, camera, chat, and then settings. You want to go to settings, then you want to go to account, then you want to go to privacy. So here there are different privacy settings. You to hide the online status on WhatsApp, you wanna tap on last seen, which is on everyone. When you put this to nobody, even if you are online or you have last seen 1 minute ago, no one can see if you are online or if when was the last seen you were active on WhatsApp. So you can also hide your profile photo from people. Like when I put this to nobody will see my profile picture, or when I put this to everyone can see my profile picture. And if when I put this to my contacts, then only my contacts can see my profile picture. Similarly, last seen also can be edited accordingly. When I put this to everyone can see my last seen if it was 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, if I'm active right now. So it can be edited accordingly. And that is how you hide your online status on WhatsApp. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.